Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to add any audio to your video that you are editing in Adobe Premiere Rush. Here, I am editing this video and already audio track is available. If you would like to add any background music or any other audio over it, as you can do it. What you got to do? Go to this plus symbol in the left side of this interface, click here and then click on audio here, and you have sound tracks here. Lot of sound tracks are available. Okay, you have also sound effects. If you go back, there will be sound effects. Okay, then loops. So if you click more, all sound tracks will be showing to you. Click on more, then you will have all sounds here. You can select any sound. Okay, star rated audio sound is premium one. Okay, if you see star marking on the audio, it is premium. If you have purchased or subscribed to Adobe Premiere Rush, then only you can import it. Okay, otherwise you can use free one. Okay, so here I am just going to use this classical magic. I just click on it, and if you click here, you can preview it. This is the sound track. Okay, actual sound track. If you would like to add it, click and then click on add button here. Yes, it has been now added. Suppose if you would like to move it to the front line, yes, you can do it. Okay, wherever you can fix, yes, you can fix. And if you would like to extend it, actually you cannot extend, but if you would like to have additional one, you can copy it. Okay, copy this one and again you can paste. Okay, duplicate, just making it duplicate, and you can do it like this. Okay, I am playing it. So in this way, you can easily add any audio to your video editing in Adobe Premiere Rush. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.